Good morning. It's Miss Willette with another video. Today is Tuesday morning, and we're gonna do a little game with sounds. So whenever we say a word, we can always hear the first sound in the word. So for example, if I say pencil, what's the first sound you hear in pencil? Don't tell me the letter, just tell me the sound. P, right. We hear in pencil, right? What if I was going to say book? What would be the first sound that I hear in book? Don't tell me the letter, just tell me the sound that you hear. B, that's right. So, what I've got going on today is I've got some pictures here, and we're gonna practice saying the word, but we're gonna leave off that first sound in the word. So for example, I have a dog. Everyone say dog. Yes. Now, if we wanted to say dog without the D sound, we would leave that off. We would delete it. It would just be og, right? Let's try another one. Here, we've got a what? A rat. Everyone say rat. Good. Now let's delete that first sound, and what are we left with? At. Right. So if we say rat, and we leave off that first sound, we take it away, we're left with at. Let's do another one. This is a picture of a rake. Now, I want you to say the word rake to yourself and then try to take off that first sound and see what you have. So everyone say rake. Now let's take off that first sound and we're left with ache. There you go. Here's another. This is a man. Say man to yourself. And take away that first sound. Man. If I take away the first sound, I'm left with an. Correct. And here's our last one. What is this a picture of? House. Yes, house. Now let's do the same thing. Let's delete that first sound. Take away that first sound and we're left with ouse. Correct. Ouse. Good job. You were able to hear the first sound in a word and delete it and take it away. That's a really good job. Let's kiss your brain. There you go. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remind ourselves of 5 of the sight words that we have in our classroom. We're going to review them. So let's look over here. Let's read them first. And, so, at, and, to. Good job. So, remember yesterday, I introduced you to your writer's notebook. And if you open it up on the first page, you should have the stages of the bee written down on the first page. So turn to the next page. And on the second page, here in your writer's notebook, I want you to write these sight words, and I want you to do rainbow writing. So remember what that means. You're going to write the word and you're going to write each letter a different color. Okay? And I'd like for you to write these words 3 times in your writer's notebook. So here on this second page, you're going to write and 3 times. And you're also going to rainbow write it. You're going to make sure that each letter is a different color. Do that for and, so, at, and to. Pause right there. Hold on. Let me grab my crayons. Just want to make sure that y'all remember rainbow writing since it's been a little while. So if you were going to write the word and, it's going to look like this. A, N, and D. And I'm going to write that 3 times. A, N, D, and one more time, Miss Willette. A, N, D. Okay, so you've got some work to do in your writer's notebook. You also have a page that looks like, where did I put it? You know, sometimes Miss Willette sits on her work and I don't see it there. Is it behind here? Yes, it was hiding from me. Okay, in the packet of work that your parents picked up at the school, you have a page that looks like this. I want you to, you have 2 that kind of look like this, but I only want you to use the one that is lowercase. You have another one that looks like this, but it's uppercase letters. You see, it's uppercase letters. We're not going to use this one. I want you to use the one that has lowercase letters. And you're going to see pictures on the next page that look like this. You're going to cut out the pictures and glue them onto the ladybug using the first sound. So everyone do this one with me. This is a picture of a what? Caterpillar. K, caterpillar. The first sound we hear is K. So we know that's made by the letter C. So we're going to cut out the caterpillar and glue it on the letter C. So I want you to do all of these by yourself. Okay, so you have 2 things to do today. You're going to rainbow write your sight words in your notebook, and you're going to cut out the pictures and glue them down on the letter that it starts with. Okay, so get to work, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.